Hello. Alright, so this video is just going to be quick. It's going to show you a technique that I found very helpful. Cell phone chargers are really small, and they're hard to plug into your phone when you don't have much pinch or function of your hands. So when I first started getting my hands back and my functionality back, I thought of a good way that helps me grip onto the end that I need to plug into my cell phone charger. So let me show you. It's very simple. It's my mini fridge. Pretty cool. Alright, so here is my cell phone charger. All it is it's a pencil gripper. On the end, it just helps me grip onto it so I don't move around as much, and then it helps me plug it into my phone charging. So, I mean, it works for me. It might not work for you. Some chargers are thicker than others, so you would need larger pencil holders. Some pencil holders are too big for the end, so then they just slide down. Another thing that would work if you just need it for the grip aspect of it is if you buy shelf liner, from the dollar store, the stuff that has the holes in it. You can cut a piece out and try to double side tape that to it. So yeah, I'm hoping that I will be able to share a few other adaptive strategies that have helped me over time and through my videos. I'm hoping that I can help others. Thanks.